Hey guys, in this video I want to teach you this simple crypto arbitrage strategy that you can use to make up to $1,000 from crypto arbitrage trading every day without much stress. So in case if you are one of those searching for how to make money online, make sure you stay with me in this video from the beginning to the end and watch me step by step. I'm going to show you this simple crypto arbitrage strategy that you can use to earn up to $1,000 every day from crypto arbitrage trading without much stress. So if you're just visiting my channel for the first time, my name is EazyCash. I teach you how to make money online from crypto arbitrage trading and many other easy ways to make money online. And if you don't want to miss any latest trend on how to make money online, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so as you always notify me if I drop awesome updates like how to make money online and latest trend on how to make money from crypto arbitrage trading. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let's dive into my laptop screen now. Let me show you this simple crypto arbitrage strategy that I can use to make money online every day without much stress. Alright guys, here's my laptop screen now, and in this crypto arbitrage strategy I want to show you now, I'll be using Binance Exchange for this crypto arbitrage trading. So in case if you don't have Binance Exchange, use my referral link in the description box to register on Binance. So guys, this is Binance Exchange over here, and in this crypto arbitrage strategy that I want to show you now, I'll be using USDT NGN. So I'll show you how you can buy USDT with your Nigerian Naira and sell it at the same time and make profit for yourself. You don't have to buy from Binance and sell in another exchange, but everything is going to happen in this Binance Exchange. You buy in this Binance and you sell in this Binance. Make sure you stay with me and watch me step by step. Let me show you how to do this, and you can jump into it and start making money for yourself every day. So this Binance Exchange, you open it, come down to this place. This is market. So come to trade and go to spot. So when you click on spot now, it will take you to this place. Here we are having BTC USDT here, but what we are going to be using in this arbitrage trading now is USDT NGN. So all you have to do here is that you come this place and search for USDT NGN. So in this search bar now, you type USDT NGN. Alright, you can see it over here. This crypto arbitrage strategy that I want to show you now is between USDT and NGN. This is for those in Nigeria. For those of you outside Nigeria, you can use USDT with your country currency. They are all the same. Just pay attention and watch me step by step. Let me show you how you can do it with your country currency and USDT. In case if you don't have laptop, I'm going to show you how you can do it with laptop, and I'm actually going to show you how you can do it with your phone. For the sake of those who do not have laptop, this video got all of you covered. So watch me step by step now. This is USDT NGN. So you can see the chart over here, and here is the order book, and this simply means that in this place now, people buy here and sell here. So if you check this place now, you are going to see that the price of 1 USDT now is currently at 1,238 Naira. So people buy here and sell here. So this is 1,238 Naira, and if you come down now, you see this is 1,224 Naira. People buy when this coin is 1,224 Naira, and the equally sell here, this is 1,125. People buy here and equally sell here. So you don't have to buy in this place and transfer to another exchange. I'm going to show you how you can buy here and sell here. You might be wondering how or what do I mean by buying here and selling here. Let me show you how you can do this now. So just look at this place. Take a look at this place now. You can see that the current price is 1,238 Naira. So people set buy limit here. When the price goes to their order, it will be triggered and they will buy USDT with their Nigerian Naira. And they actually set their sell limits in this place. When the price goes to their price, where they set their sell limit, the price will actually trigger and they will sell automatically, and the profit will be saved in their wallet, including their capital. So everything will be saved in your wallet. So when you buy, the money is in your wallet. When you sell, the money is equally in your wallet, which means it involves no risk. So what we're going to do in this place is that you can see in this place now that people set buy limit or buy order here. When price comes to 1,222.9, that they should buy, and they say it's buy and sell limits that when price comes to 1,250 Naira, they should sell. So you can see that there are little price difference from this and this. This is 1,251 Naira and this is 1,222 Naira. So if you should go to calculator now, you will see that 1,251 minus 1,222. So this is going to give you 29 Naira from every 1 USDT you buy here and sell here. So let me show you how you can do this now, and you can see since you'll be making 29 Naira from every USDT you buy here and sell here, let me show you how you can set your buy, order and sell limit. So if you look at this place now, you can see that this is the current price of this USDT in Naira. So for those of you who are not from Nigeria, in your own country, you'll be seeing the current price of USDT in your own country currency. So for those of us in Nigeria here, this is the current price of USDT in Nigerian Naira, which is 1,238.3 Naira. So here you are going to set the price which you want to buy. So here you are going to put the amount you want to buy. So in this place here is where you're going to set the amount which you want to sell. Once you put the amount you want to sell, here you're going to put number of USDT you want to sell at a time. So people set their own order at the rate of 1,222.9, some set at 1,223, and rest of them you can see some even set at 1,236. That whenever price get to this place, they should buy immediately, and let's say their sell limit here. So let's assume you want to buy when price comes to 1,222.9. You will come over to this place and set 1,222.0. So you set buy order that when price come down to 1,222.0, you should buy. So how much do you want to use for this transaction now? You come down and put it here. Let's assume you want to use 1 million naira for this transaction. So you put it down here, 1 million naira. So you see that 1 million naira can buy you 818.3 USD. So when you use 1 million naira for this transaction now, what you're going to buy is 818.3 USDT. So when you come to this place now, what you're going to say is how much you want to sell. So people who say it here, last person said 1,251, and you can see everything happens within some minutes and within some seconds. It will be triggered and they will buy and sell. All this happens within some minutes and some seconds. So you don't have to be greedy. You have to be greedy so as your price will be triggered and you can be able to replicate it more than 10 times or even more than in a day. And you know, one thing about crypto arbitrage is unlimited. You can do it as many times as you can. So all you have to do in this place is that you don't have to be greedy. So in this place now, since the last person says 1,251, you can set your own to be 1,251 or even 50, any one you wish. 0. So this is the price you'll be buying, and whenever price comes to this place, it will be triggered and you will buy at this price. And whenever price comes to this place, it will be triggered, your sell limit will be triggered, and it will sell automatically. All this money are in your wallet, and whenever you buy, the money is still in your wallet, and whenever I sell, the money is in your wallet with your profit. So this involves no risk. So you don't have to panic or even have to fear of losing your money because everything is in your wallet. So in this place now, this is the amount of USDT you'll be buying. So come here and put the amount of USDT you'll be selling to. So you see that this is the amount of USDT that you want to sell, and this is the amount you'll be getting when you sell this amount of USDT. So remember, you use 1 million naira to sell to buy this USDT, to buy 818.3 USDT, and you see that when you sell this 818.3 USDT, that you'll be getting this amount of money. So let's go to calculator now and check it and know what we are going to have. So this is our calculator over here. So you use 1 million naira to buy and you'll be making this amount of money. So let's copy it now and go to calculator. You see this minus your 1 million naira which you used to. So this will give you 23,000 naira. So in every of these transactions you do in this exchange, you are going to be making 23,000 naira from this exchange. So you see that you can set your buy limit here when the price gets to your points. When the price gets to your points, when you set your buy limit, it will be triggered and you buy, and when the price gets to where you set your sell limit, it will also be triggered. So after that, you see that this transaction which we did now, buying here and selling here, you'll be making 23,000 naira from this transaction. So guys, this is awesome. And guys, when you set your price alert and when you set your order, the order that you set will appear here, and you'll be looking at it to see when it is triggered. And when it is triggered, you'll also be looking at it and see when it sells if you wish. And one thing about this is it is unlimited. You can do it as many times as you can. So let's assume you were able to do this up to 10 times in a day. You see this multiply by 10. So you see that you are going to be making 236,000 naira every day from this simple crypto arbitrage strategy. So guys, this is awesome. You can rush into this now and start making money for yourself. And one thing about crypto arbitrage trading is that the more capital you use, the more profit you will be getting. So this is the more capital you use, the more profit you'll be making, and it is unlimited, which means you can replicate it. You can do it as many times as you can. So guys, I believe you find value in this video. If you really do, feel free to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification button so as you will always be notified whenever I post or some videos like how to make money online and latest trend of how to make money from crypto arbitrage trading. So guys, that's all for those who are using PC for this crypto arbitrage strategy. So let's dive into my phone screen now. Let me show you how you can use your phone to do this crypto arbitrage strategy within some seconds. Alright guys, for those of you who are using mobile phone, or for those who may wish to use their mobile phone for this crypto arbitrage trading, all you need to do is just open your Binance exchange. So in your Binance exchange now, what you have to do is just to come down to this place, come down to trades, to open it. So when you click on it now, you see that this is almost the same thing you see in PC is also going to appear in your mobile phone. So this is where you can set your buy limits. And when you set your buy limit, when you are done setting your buy limit, you come to sell and set your sell limit. So what you have to do now here is set the price. How much do you want to buy? You set it here, and how much do you want to use for this trading? You put it here, or let's assume you know the amount of or the number of USDT you want to buy. You can also put it here. So you can see the order book, and this is a price people buy, and this is a price people sell. You can see that in this place now that people are buying at the rate of 1,233.6 and people are also buying at the rate of 1,234.1, and the current price of USDT against Naira is 1,235.8, and in this place you can see that people are selling at the rate of 1,237, and if you should scroll more just like in the PC, which you see more of the numbers or the prices people are buying and the prices people are also selling, you see that people are buying in a price that is too low and they are selling in a price that is higher than the price they buy. And if you check, you see that there's price difference. If there is price difference, it means there is arbitrage opportunity here. So all you need to do is do the same thing you do in your PC. In case if you're using mobile phone, you can set the amount you want to buy. Let's assume you want to buy when the price goes to 1,222 or to 1,223.1. So you set it here. How much do you want to use? Do this crypto arbitrage. Let's assume you want to use 1 million naira, for example. You put the amount here. This is 1 million naira. So 1 million naira will buy you 817.5 USD. Price fluctuates anywhere. You can see this is not the same amount we got in PC, but price fluctuates. As you can see, that you already know that cryptocurrency or the chart fluctuates. So and that is why this works, because the more it fluctuates, that is how it will fluctuate to your direction and trigger your price limits, your buy limits. And the same way it trigger your buy limit, it will also fluctuate and trigger your sell limits, and it will automatically sell and save your profit for you. So when you are done setting this now, since you know this amount, the number of USDT this is going to buy for you, then go to sell limit now. So how much do you want to sell when the price, let's say you want to sell when the price goes to 1,251.2. So you come to this place and put the amount of USDT you want to sell. So you see that when price got to 1,251.2, it should trigger and sell 817.5 USDT, which you buy. So, and you see that when this happens now, you'll be making, so this amount will be getting. So this is 1,022,856. Remember, I use 1 million naira for this transaction. So let's go to calculator now. You see that you use 1 million naira to buy and you are making 1 million.